Hey, what's up? John Shred here, and today I'm unboxing the brand new Apple MacBook Pro M3. I wanted to get the kind of the box here. It was pretty interesting. I opened it and I said, you know, it'd be pretty cool to show this. Apple has done a great job with their packaging, and I just wanted to show you kind of the thought and effort they put into opening it. So there's a big arrow here that just kind of, you rip it. I did do that part, and then it cracks open. Check this. Ta-da! And then the laptop comes out like this. But look at this box. I mean, I don't know if you're a big fan of how packaging is done, but considering how little it is, remember when you used to order a laptop and you just come in boxes that were just this big? I was very surprised when the courier came to the house and it was such a small package. So, onto the laptop itself. This is the 14-inch MacBook Pro in the 18 gig unit with 512 gigs of SSD storage. This is the one that has 11 cores versus the 12 core. That 12 core has an additional performance core. I opted not to and try it out. We'll see. My wife does have a 16-inch MacBook Pro M1 that I will like to do a comparison video. This will just be a quick unboxing to see you kind of what that's about. So pretty easy, self-explanatory. It says here, rip, boom. Another one, rip. And I'm imagining, look at that. Okay, tab here. And there is the unit. We'll put that to the side for a moment. Now it does come, I did get the new black MacBook Pro, and it does come with a lovely black braided cable, which is pretty cool. I like that they kept it black. Let's open this up, and then it comes with a power block here. This looks like the smaller power, yeah, it's a 70-watt power block versus the one that my wife's 16-inch MacBook M1 has, the larger 140 watt. So that's nice. I mean, I did get the 14-inch for traveling. I'm going to CES in a couple weeks, and I wanted to bring a laptop with me. So let's open this up. There we go. And here it is, first glimpse. It is on the back. MacBook Pro. I mean, port-wise, I'm not sure how well that'll come out. I'll get some B-roll afterwards and kind of give you all the scoop of the sides and the ports and everything. Cool, neat. It's under the hinge here. You can see there's vent ports all along the side here, which is pretty cool. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, it turned on automatically. Okay, that's cool. And there seems to be a film. Ha, like that. You're seeing it here. That's all I really wanted to do today was
the main language. Press the return key.
I'm gonna put you to sleep. Yeah, that was all I wanted to do today, just to see kind of what the unboxing experience was about and show you that really cool shipping material that they did use. So kudos to Apple. I know they're really working hard to reduce carbon footprint, and I'm sure that comes into a lot in their packaging, so that is pretty cool. Stay tuned for a review of this and also a comparison to the M1 MacBook Pro. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned to the next one.